Sorry, beta, what are you saying?
So I am saying that you have said anything in last 20 seconds?
No, we have not started now. Till now.
Okay,
We
sir.
are going to start now.
After
We have waited too long now. It's still only 11 hours, but we will start.
We
Yes.
have
Anything?
done exercise 9.4, question 8.
We we have done 9.5, I think. We have completed exercise 9.5, all of you. Have we
Yes, sir,
completed?
we have to start.
We have to start 9.5. We have to start 9.6. Okay. Now,
Sir, we have done exercise 9.5 in book.
yes, we have done it in book. 9.5, the whole
Okay, sir. Thank you.
we have done in the book. We will start 9.6. Okay. So exercise 9.6 A, first part. In this exercise, we will learn how to divide a smaller number by a greater number and find the answer in decimal. Okay. It is possible to divide a smaller number by a greater number. If you are finding the answer in decimal, then you can divide a smaller number by a greater number. Okay. So let's see, let's learn it. Have you done this in your previous class also?
No, sir. No, sir.
No problem. No problem. You will not face any problem. It is very simple, very easy. Okay, just pay attention how we are uh, about to do it. Just be attentive. So the number is 6. It is divided by 8. You can see that the divisor is greater than the dividend. 8 is a greater number, but we can do it. Before doing this, you all must remind, I am just reminding this thing to you all, that if you are writing 6 or you are writing 6.0 or you are writing 6.00 or even 6.0000000 and 0, anything, these all are equal. Do you all know this? All these are the same thing.
Yes, sir.
You can add as many zeros
Yes,
as
sir,
you
I
want.
know this.
In the end, after decimal, you can add as many zeros. It is the same thing. Okay. Got it? After decimal, you can add as many zeros. Now, this concept we will use here to divide 6 by 8. Okay. This thing is clear to all of you? This is clear? 6 or 6.0 or 6.00
Yes,
or
sir.
6.00.
Yes, sir.
As many zeros as you want, you can add after decimal. These all are equal. So this is clear to all of you. Okay. Now let us see how to do this. 8 and 6. 6 is the number. 6 is smaller than 8. Am I right? Can we divide it? Yes, we can do it.
Yes, sir.
We will use decimal. We will use decimal to do it. Write a decimal here in the dividend and in the quotient both. Both the places you are writing a decimal. We can do it. If we are writing a decimal, we can divide. Now after writing a decimal, so if I add a 0 after decimal, it does not bother at all. If I write 6 or write 6.0, it is the same thing. Okay. So I have added a 0 after decimal and I am going to start the quotient from decimal. Decimal will be your first thing and then you will start the first digit after decimal. Now forget about the decimal. Forget everything. Forget about the decimal. Now you take this number as 60. What is this? 6060. Simply, what is this number? This is 6060. Clear? Now, is 60 a greater number than 8?
Yes, sir.
So, yes, we can divide 60 by 8. It will go 7 times. 8 sevens are 56. 56. Got it? 8 into 7 is 56. So now subtract 60 minus 56 is equal to 4. 4 is your remainder, but you will continue doing this division till your remainder is 0. This is 4. Can we add another 0 in the dividend? This is known as dividend. Can we add another 0 in dividend? No problem.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes,
you will
sir.
copy down the 0. Copy down the 0. It becomes 40.
I am not able to understand.
5.
Yeah, Rishika, what is the problem?
Sir, I am not able to understand.
7.775.
Which thing you have not understood, Rishika?
Sir, this division.
Beta, any particular part of this you have not understood, or you were
Sir,
you have not
whole I
understood
am
the whole
not
thing.
able
The
to
whole thing, if you have not understood, that means you are not concentrating. Any particular thing is there you have not understood? Okay, we will do another one. We will,
Sir, we can do this in book.
no, in the copies.
Okay, sir.
In the copies. We will do another one, you will understand. Shika, don't worry. Okay. So add another 0 here and then copy down the 0. This becomes 40. Now how many times it will go? 5 times. 8 into 5 is 40. Subtract 40 minus 40 is 0. Now when you get the remainder 0, you have to stop. This is the remainder 0. What is the answer? 0.75 is the answer. So 6 divided by 8 is equal to 0.75. This is your answer.
0.75.
Yes. How many of you have understood?
Sir, Adhiraj Sharma understood.
Sir, I
Sadak
Sir,
Sharma
Shorey
understood.
Saxena understood.
Sir,
Sir, Shorey Saxena understood.
Sadak Sharma understood.
Okay.
Sir, done second one.
Then the second one also. Oh my God. Okay, so those who have any problem in this, those who have anything that they have not understood, if there is something like this, I will explain the second one also. Please concentrate, all of you, even those who have understood, they also. Please. So second part. Have you all completed this? Copied this down in your notebooks quickly. Okay. Second part. Second part of the question. 5 divided
Done
by.
second part also.
So those who have not understood, please concentrate here. Everyone, Rishika.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir, seeing.
Okay, please. Yeah, 8 is your divisor. Again, the divisor is 8. And the dividend is 5. This is known as the dividend. Okay. 5 is the dividend. This thing is known as dividend. This is divisor, this is dividend, and this is quotient. You all know this? Divisor, dividend, quotient. Divisor, dividend, quotient. So 5 is your dividend. 5 is smaller than 8.
Yes, sir.
Write a decimal here and here, both the places. You will begin with a decimal because this number is smaller than 8. Okay. Write a decimal both the places. Now you add a 0. There is no problem in adding a 0 after decimal because it means the same thing. 5 or 5.0 दोनों एक ही बात होती है. So you can add a 0, no problem in that. Now forget about the decimal. Take this number as 50. 50. It is 50. How many times it will go? 8 into 6.
48. 6 are 48.
8 6 are 48. What is the remainder? 50 minus 48. Don't see the
The
decimal at all. Don't
will
see
be
the
point.
decimal at all. Forget
2.
about the decimal. This is
The answer will be
2.
0.2625.
so the decimal is sorry remainder is 2. Remainder is not 0. जब तक remainder 0 नहीं आएगा, you will keep on adding zeros here in the dividend. Add another 0 in the dividend and copy down the 0. 0 add करके हमने copy कर लिया.
2s are 16.
8 2s are 16. Remainder 4. Still the remainder is not 0. So add another 0 in dividend and then copy down.
5s are 40.
5s are 40.
5 are
This is the
40.
answer. The remainder is not
The remainder.
answer. 5 divided by 8 is equals to 0.625. This is the answer. Have you all understood?
Oh, sir, I understood. Yes, sir,
Sir,
I
my
understood.
sir,
Now
I am on question 4.
Okay, I will explain. Don't worry. Fourth one I will explain.
Sir, I can't understand fourth one.
No problem, beta. I will explain.
I have done the third one.
Have you all understood now?
Yes, sir. I have done question 4 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rishika, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, is it 3 divided by 6 is the 0.5?
Yes, 3 divided by 6 is equal to 0.5. Right answer. Do the third one, all of you. Try the third one.
Yes, sir.
I done the third one.
Sir, then the third one.
I am waiting for you all to do the third one.
Third one.
Yeah. Have you all got the answer of the third one? Tell me what is the answer.
Sir,
0.5.
Sir, 0.5.
0.5.
Okay.
Sir, 0.5.
Rishika, tell me the answer of the third one.
Sir, I'm doing.
Sir, 0.5.
Correct answer.
Sir, Canada. 0.5.
Yes, yes. 0.5, 0.5. 0.5 is the answer.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Rishika, you got the answer?
Sir, done question number 3.
Okay. So anyone of you wants me to do the third one on the board here?
So, sir, the answer of third one is 0.5.
Yes, correct. So let's do the fourth one now. Some of you are having doubt in the fourth one. No problem.
The answer is 0.66 of fourth one.
Correct. 0.666666 and so on.
Thank you, sir.
10 divided by 15. Now, please concentrate on a few. 15. Those who are doing and those who have already done, everyone, please concentrate here. अपने हथियार डाल दीजिए. Drop your weapons. मतलब pen. I mean, your pen is your weapon. Please drop it. Yes. Now look at the board, everyone. I want you all to be concentrating here on the board. 10 divided by 15. So 10 is smaller than 15. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So we will begin with a decimal. Decimal at both the places. Decimal, decimal. Now you add a 0 here. It becomes 100. Forget about the decimal. This number is 100. 100. 100 when divided by 15, you will have to add 6. 6 into 15 is 90. 90, 90. Okay. So you subtract this. 100 minus 90 is 10. 10 is the remainder. So add another 0 here. Add a 0 in the last in the dividend. Because 10 is smaller than 15, you have added another 0. Then copy down the 0. This becomes 100.
100.
Again 100. So you will add another 6 here. 15 6 are 90. Subtract 100 minus 90 is again 10. Again 10. So add another 0. Here you will copy down the 0. Add a 0 here, then copy down the 0. This becomes again 100. Again this is 100. So add another 6 here. 15 into 6 again 90. Again you subtract, again you get 10 as the remainder. So again the remainder is 10. Add another 0 here. You copy down the 0 again. You can again get 100. Again you put a 6 here. Again the remainder is again 90 is there, and again the remainder is 10. This means that in this case, in this question, you will never get the remainder 0. You will never get the remainder 0. If you keep on doing like this,
Ma'am, sir, means 10 divided by 15 is not.
yes, this means the number 10 is not completely divisible by 15. Even if you are finding the answer in decimal, then also it is not divisible by 15. So the remainder will never come 0. This is possible that remainder will never come 0. It is possible.
So, sir, what we have to write?
What you have to write here, what will be your answer? You will show that it will continue. you will write dash 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 dot 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 and so on. This shows that this answer will continue and it will have infinite digits after decimal. Okay, infinite means what do we
Unlimited.
The thing that never
yes,
stops.
unlimited number of digits are there after decimal. So 0.6666666 and it so on. It will continue. So what is your answer? Your answer will be 10 divided by 15 equals to 0.6666 and so on.
and so on.
This is the answer. So dot 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 यहाँ पर क्या show कर रहा है? It has unlimited digits in decimal. Unlimited digits are there. So this is the answer. Got it? Clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So in such cases, you find the answer in 4 decimal places only. Such cases, you find answer in 4 decimal places and then put a dot 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 dot. Let's start with the 5th one now. Okay, I'm giving you some time. I'm giving you 2 minutes to do the 5th one. Tell me the answer of the 5th one.
Please wait.
Sir, 0.25.
0.25 is the correct answer.
0.25.
Absolutely correct.
Sir, 0.25.
Correct answer.
Sir, 0.25.
Correct
Sir,
answer.
0.25.
Very good.
Sir, the answer of 51 is 0.25.
Absolutely correct.
Sir, the answer of 51 is 0.25. 25.
Very good. Nice.
Sir, now can we do the 6th one?
Okay, I will explain the 5th one first. Then I will give you a chance to do the 6th one. 5th one. Here. 44 divided by 176. Number is a big one, but no problem. 176 44. So 44 point 440. 176 two times. 352. Remainder is 88. Add a 0. Copy down the 0. 880. 5 times. 880. 176 into 5 is 880. Remainder comes 0. So your answer is 44 divided by 176 is equal to 0.25. Check your answers, everyone. This was fifth one.
Sir, my answer is correct.
Very good. This was the fifth one.
Sir, done sixth one also.
This is better. Your
And 7.
Sir, done sixth one.
okay.
Sir, Adhiraj Sharma done sixth one.
So done sixth one. Kartik Khandelwal.
So tell me the answer of the sixth one. All of you.
Sir, 0.525. 0.525. 0.525.
Okay. Anyone, do you want me to do the sixth one on the board?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No one? So, may I start the seventh one now? Anyone, do you want me to do the sixth one here?
No, sir.
So let's start with the seventh one.
Sir, done all.
All.
Yes, sir.
15 divided by 42.
94.
15.0 150 42 3 times 126. Remainder is 24. Then you add a 0 here and pop it down. It becomes 240. So 42 into 5 is 210. Then the difference is 30. Add a 0, copy down the 0. So now this is 300. So 42 into 7. 7 times 294. Difference is 6. Then copy down the 0. Now this becomes 60. 142. Remainder is 18. Still the remainder is not 0. So you leave your answer here after 4 digits. Okay. Now all of you please concentrate. See what I'm doing here. Because we are not getting 0 as the remainder in this, so you can leave your answer after 4 digits. Okay. Let it be for 4 digits and you can leave it here. 15 divided by 42 is equal to 0.3571 and then in bracket you write approx. Approx का meaning क्या होता है? What is approx?
Sir,
That
sir,
means it's an approximate answer, nearby value.
Approximately. Approx.
Approx means this is an approximate answer. That means it is a nearby answer. It is not the exact one. That means the answer is not exact. This is not completely divisible. This means that the number is not completely divisible. It is a nearby answer, 0.3571. So this is the meaning of approx. So in the bracket you can write approx. This is the answer. Got it? If you divide this, if you do this in your calculators, you can check your answers with the help of calculators also. So if you do this in your calculator, you will see that the answer will be given in 8 or 10 digits, but that is not required. You can find it up to only 4 digits. Okay, but I hope you will not use calculator for your mathematics calculations. Don't take any help from calculators. Just to increase your confidence that you are doing it right, you can check your answers. Okay, but don't use calculators. Do the eighth part.
Sir, doing the eighth part only. Sir, done.
Okay.
Sir, is the answer of
Sir, is the answer of eighth one is
eighth one is
0.37?
3.
0.37.
Answer of the eighth one is,
My answer is coming
0.37.
I think it is correct.
36.36.
Yeah, 36 is correct. 0.36.
0.37.
No, only 0.36 is the correct answer. Yeah, 0.36 is the right answer.
As a 0.3.
Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
I'm not able to understand 81.
Eighth one you have not understood. Okay, I will do it on you. Nine divided by 25. 25. 9. So decimal, both the places. Now you add a 0. This is now 90. 90 divided by 25. So 3 times 75. 25 into 3 is 75. What is the remainder? Remainder is 15. 15 is the remainder. So add a 0 here. Remainder is not 15, so you will add a 0 and then copy down the 0. This becomes 150. So 25 into 6 is 150. 25 multiplied by 6 is 150. So remainder is 0. What is the answer? 0.36. That means 9 divided by 25 is equal to 0.36. 0.36 is the answer. Clear? Everyone note down in
Okay,
your
sir, I
copy.
have understood. Okay, sir, I have understood.
Yeah, meeting is about to end. Quickly note down in your copies.
Okay, sir, done.
Sir, is the meeting about to end?
Yes, it is about to end.
Sir, done all.
Very good.